How are you? I am very fine. My cordial love to you. Congratulations. I am glad to see your bright faces. Enjoy the class wholeheartedly, but be serious, gentle, and polite, and one should be heard by your conduct. I discussed the previous class about voice. At this moment, I will discuss about the topic of tag questions. Learning outcomes, define tag questions, and ask question using question tags. What do you know? Tag questions? Yes, you know tag question. Tag means attached. A tag question is a question which is stuck at the end a space to achieve support for the speaker's speech. My dear students, today you will see the magic rules of tag questions. If you give me 10 minutes, you will get 5 marks surely. I am sure. Do you know the question? How many kinds of question? There are 2 kinds of question: tag questions and comment tag. It is necessary for us tag questions. So let's go enjoy the class. The rules of tag questions. Example: it is cold, is not it. It is not cold, is it? The rules of tag questions. When the statement is affirmative, the tag question will be in negative. When the statement is negative, the tag questions will be in affirmative. There are 2 rules of tag questions. When the statement is affirmative, the tag questions will be in negative. When the statement is negative, the tag question will be in affirmative. My dear students, let's learn some contraction. Let's learn some contraction. Remember that it is necessary for us. Do not in short don't. Did not in short didn't. Cannot can't. Am not aren't. Does not doesn't. Is not isn't. Will not won't. Shall not shan't. My dear students, if you know the short techniques of tag questions, you will correct the question of tag questions. Technique: subject, the pronoun of question tag and example. Follow me. Listen to you what I say. Person, male, singular. Person means male, male singular. The pronoun of tag question he. Rohit is a good student. Here the statement is positive. The tag question will be in negative. So, isn't he? Next, person, female, singular. The pronoun of tag question she. Rima has gone there. Hasn't she? The statement is affirmative. The tag question will be in negative. Non-person, plural. The pronoun of tag question they. Birds can fly. Birds. It is plural. Can't they? The bird cannot fly. So can't eat. The word singular. The birds the plural. Non-person singular. The pronoun of tag question eat. The cow lives on grass. Doesn't eat. The cow lives on grass. Doesn't eat the cow. The statement is positive. The tag question will be in negative. Nothing, anything, everything, thing, only thing, add thing. The pronoun of questions it. Nothing happened yesterday. Did it? Nothing. Negative sentence. There are few words. It is negative. Seldom. Nothing. Scarcely. None. No. Nobody. etc. It is negative statement. Next, none, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody. At one and body, the pronoun of tag questions they. Everyone has agreed to it. Haven't they? Everyone, one, only one and body. Add one and body. The tag questions, the pronoun tag question of they. No oblique every plus noun, he, she, they. Every teacher is qualified, aren't they? Because no oblique every plus noun. Not fail, not female. It is confusion, male and female. Confusion, the prepositions, the pronoun preposition they. Every teacher, male and female. Both male and female. It is confusion. The every teacher, the pronoun preposition they. Every teacher is qualified, aren't they? Either of, neither of, all of, plus us, oblique them. The pronoun preposition us, we, them, they. All of us know it. Don't we? Us. Then it is present indefinite tense. Close. Close is a group of words which has a subject and final verb. The pronoun of questions it. That he will come is not sure. Is it? It because it is close. Allah. The pronoun of questions he. Only Allah can help us. Can't he? It is capital letter he. Ace. The plus adjective, the pronoun of questions they. The pious are happy, aren't they? One, the pronoun of questions one. One should obey one's parents. Shouldn't to one. Let us, shall we? Let's go out. Shall we? The sentence is let us. Let us means let us. Then the pronoun of questions shall we. Let me, the pronoun of questions tag shall I. Let me do the work shall I. Let them, let him, let her. The pronoun of questions will you. Let him sing a song will you. Imperative sentence, positive sentence. The pronoun of questions won't you. Open the window won't you. Imperative sentence, negative. The pronoun of questions will you. Do not hate the poor will you. Imperative sentence, request and forward. The pronoun of question tag will you. Do not run in the sun will you. That's enough. Remember that the rules of the short technique of tag question rules, it is very important for us. Now fill in the blanks using question tag. My dear students, number 1A, we are Bangladeshi. The statement, since the statement is positive, the tag question will be in negative. Now, we are Bangladeshi, aren't we? He does not help me. Since the statement is negative, the question tag, but the tag questions will be in affirmative. Does he? Does he? If the statement is negative, since the statement is negative, the tag question will be in affirmative. They cannot do the work. Can they? Can they? He passed the exam. Since the statement is positive, the tag question will be negative. It is past indefinite tense. Didn't he? Didn't he? Follow me. It is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. It is positive sentence. The pronoun tag aren't you. Aren't you. That's enough. My dear students, if you give me 10 minutes and you will get 5 marks sure, it is possible. Because it is the short technique of tag question, the rules of short technique of tag question is very important for us. So, thank you very much. See you again the next class. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.